Hey guys, it's Christy with WTI. Are you looking for a beautiful summer blouse? If so, look no further because I found a great one. This is by Avanova. I love it. It's beautiful. It's elegant. I love the ruffled neckline here, the animal print. This is the rust red. Comes in lots of different colors. I would describe this as like a dark pink. I wouldn't say that it's red, but that's what they label it as. So this could be easily paired with a pencil skirt for a really elegant look. You could pair it with some distressed jeans and heels and go out to dinner. One thing I really like about the design is the elastic around the sleeve, because you could pull it down and make it kind of a long sleeve top, or you could pull it up and then it gives your sleeves a cute, flowy and puffy look. So it's really comfortable, it's really breathable. I'm super happy with it. So if you're looking for a gorgeous, elegant blouse, you should get it. I think you'll love it too. And that's my point of view.